So today we're going to be looking at Weasel on try-hack-me. So let's go ahead and get this thing started up. I see a couple people trying to do this mock so far. Seems like a lot of people have been struggling with it. So we'll go ahead and see if we can get this guy or not. Looks like we got 5 ports right there. Definitely looks like Windows. I mean, we got WinRM, SMB. SSH is up though for a Windows machine. That's a little bit strange, but let's go ahead and start messing with this guy. No web server or anything like that I'm seeing like right now. So let's go ahead and try an SMB client. See what we get here. I've got a data CI team. Can we look at it? Sure can. Let's go ahead and mount this guy. So mount SMB share is going to look something like this. Ours is going to be obviously IP address. Whoopsie daisy. I want to put the IP address in there. Whoopsie daisy. And then we'll go ahead and throw this in there. And we'll also make directory. We're going to make a mount. All right, directory. Or we could call it like temp or whatever else. So that's going to go to slash, whoops. So that's going to go into temp. We can see the temp from there. We should have just mounted onto here. Maybe not. Maybe it hates us. Okay, there we go. All right. Weasel.txt. Requirements.txt. Let's go and cat that weasels.txt, see what that's all about. Looks like the article weasels, like literally. Scientific reports, okay. Climate change is affecting morality of weasels. Okay. Someone studied that, that means. No. We got papers, pics, miscellaneous. Go ahead and see the papers. So we got 2 PDFs in here. See any pics? We got anything in here? We got a couple executables in there. We also have an HTML. It's literally just Weasel facts or something. Okay. Let's see the miscellaneous. We also have that checkpoints thing too. We got Jupyter token. There's something we could probably use. Okay. But we have no website, right? Or is it just not? Does it just take forever to come up and running? Let's see here. Okay, we got port 8888. Okay. So we're gonna try that out. It just took forever to get up and running. Good old IIS. Jupyter Notebook, okay. And we do have password token. Let's go and curl this also. See what this is all about. All right, we got Tornado Server 6.03. Let's go ahead and search exploit that. Nothing. What about just Tornado? Tornado World War www server. I thought it said World War something. Buffer overflow. Okay. Tornado knowledge retrieval system. Tornado store. Let's go ahead and try that token that we got here. We throw this up here. Okay, it looks like we're. Can we put stuff in here? Can we just run reverse? Because it looks like we're in there, huh? Let's go ahead and. Actually, I'm gonna go to SMB client. I want to see if I can actually put this into there. Let's see if it shows up over here. It does not. Okay. Well, or did it show up in? No, it shouldn't have showed up in. Okay, there's a token. Papers. What we got? Running clusters. CI Python files. Pics. Just okay. We got upload. Can we upload something in here? Like we upload that test.txt that we just put in? 100% can. Can I get to it now? Okay, no. That's a no, like right there. Okay. File size, new. Terminal? If we get a new terminal, that'd be great. Okay, we can. Welcome to Ubuntu. Microsoft. Okay, so we're probably dealing with, we're most likely dealing with WSL, right? Windows Subsystem for Linux. Okay, this thing's starting up. I see. Okay. Hey, Sky Tech. Thanks a lot, Skiz Tech. Thanks a lot for the follow. All right, he's also the admin group too. This guy right here. Let's go and get reverse shell going here. We did see Python 3 wherever we clicked on new. So maybe let's just go for just a Python. Oh, give me something a little bit easier here, just to throw in there. Let's go and do a which Python first. Which Python 3. Okay, so we can see that it's running from there. If we do like a Python 3, if we just hit enter there, will it actually, okay, so it will. Can I do Control D? Okay, cool. All right, so we're not going to put any of that in. We're just going to say Python 3 execute. And we're just going to try to throw this in there. And we'll try to throw my P address into it. 10.2.36.18. So if you take all these numbers and kind of flip them around like a little bit, it looks like. 10.36. Probably should have said a different area step inside the SMB thing I got here. That's why it's taking, that's why it's going slow. 2. All right, there we go. Don't know if I actually need that at the end. Like right now, let's go ahead and listen. 4242. Can I Control V that in there? Can I paste it like that? Okay, I could just paste. Listening. Go ahead and enter there. All right, doesn't like tacky. Unknown option tacky. Oh man, I hate to see it. Can we just get rid of that and just do like a taxi? Don't know. Can't do it like that. I know that much. Let's try that like right there. I don't know if that's actually gonna work or not. Yes, that does work. All right, we're still obviously that Windows Subsystem for Linux. We do have we are part of the admin group though, so that can be something there. Let me go ahead and get out here. All right. If we're in Windows Subsystems for Linux, then we should be able to show the mounts. We should be able to move over into the C drive. Doesn't seem like C drive's mounted yet. Okay, so it's looking like the C drive is not mounted yet, which that could cause obviously some problems for us. So we're probably going to have to figure that one out first. But let's see here. Let's go ahead and get a full shell first. Okay. There's Jupiter, like right there. Okay. That's a good sign so far. We don't have a C drive anywhere. That's not a good sign for us like right now. So we're probably got to mount that. So a CD and a dot Jupiter. So we have been messing with that so far. See if we can find anything. We also have the anaconda install thing like right there. Cat migrated? What's that? Okay. Just want to see what this is all about. Cat that guy right there. We can read and write to it. See if there's a user or password here, username or something like that in here. Okay. That's running as that. All right. Right now, I feel like we need to become root to be able to mount the file system onto it, right? So we're not seeing. There's Jupiter like right there, but I'm wondering. Okay. What's this like right here? Okay. That's kind of a short private key, isn't it, for SSH? Could we just. And log in as this guy, low priv, like right here. Does he have the same IP address? I feel like he would. Yeah, I think he does. Oh. Okay. Oh, I'm in the C drive now. So I'm in Windows now. Okay, cool. PowerShell. All right, we're in Windows. Okay. So we made it to Windows at least now. Let's go ahead and there's our dot, another .sh. Is that same exact thing that I have here? Oh, it's force. We'll find. Yeah, it looks the same, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay. Let's go ahead and CD into tools. Get a Python web server up and running, right? Let's go ahead and get my IP address, and we'll do a IEX IWR use basic parsing HTTP. That like right there for power up. I don't remember if my power up's already running invoke all checks or not, but we'll see. This guy can't really do too much though now, can he? Is that like a rabbit hole? All right, there's his password. So we have his auto logon password for low priv, which we already have. Okay. Looks like we have a few modifiable files, but they're all sitting within me. That's mine, and that's mine. Okay. And we have his logon. And we also have always install elevated. Right user add MSI. Okay, so we also have always install elevated. So that may be able to help us out too. So that should be a pretty easy day. From here, okay, we've always install elevated. Let's see here, what else do we have? Let's go ahead and make an MSI, I guess then. Let's go ahead and try it. See what we can do with it. See if that'll work. Windows exploits. Always install elevated. I hope I just have a copy and paste, but of course I do not. Alright, so let's go ahead and we're going to put this in my other one then. My Obsidian notes then also. What's new? Let's go ahead and hop over to Windows. And we're going to say exploits. And we're just going to say always install elevated. Put that on an exploits like right there. Well, we'll take a quick print screen of this like right here so I can see it. You also have registry auto log on there too, but I think I have one of the invoke boxes. Okay. All right, so we have that now, right? So let's go ahead and we will do our little MSI, shell.msi thing. All right, let's go ahead and make an MSF venom. Lhost, right, it's just lhost, right? Nothing crazy there, right? Yep. Lhost equals ton 0. Lport equals 445. It's going to be an MSI, and we'll just call it shell.msi. What's up, Slick? How you doing? All right, let's go ahead and drop this over to here now. We're not going to drop his SSH directory. We're going to cd back. And let's go ahead and start up a web server. wget, use basic parsing. That's good to hear. HTTP that shell.msi. Then we'll say the out file will be shell.msi. And we'll see, is that actually going to work? All right, nothing there. Okay. Wonder if we could do like a like right there. She gave us something. I'm pretty sure it should have. Oh yeah, MSI execute. That's what I gotta do. Forgot about that. Okay, there it is. Okay, that's not gonna be it though. Ours is actually gonna be just right here. All right. Well, we do have to put in the full path here. So we can just copy all this. Okay, let's try this guy like right here. We should probably all start with listener, huh? Okay, that did not work like right there. Okay, so it's not executing that MSI file. That's okay. Alright. We do have an auto log on. I wonder, do we have to do like run as even though we're already this user? So we do have that. I don't think we don't have any other information so far that we can utilize for this, like right here. Huh. Hello. Okay. We're doing port 445, right? We're coming back ton zero. That's me, okay. That all looks good, like right there. We're not doing anything crazy up here, so we're not asking for like interpreter, even though that would connect and then immediately drop out. Okay. Access denied, okay. Have we even found a flag yet? Actually, now I think about it. Okay. There, we got one flag. I don't know if we did it the way we are supposed to, because it's talking about Python and all this other crap. Well, I guess we did do a Python reverse shell, but okay. I don't know what that's there for. Yeah, not getting anything back with that yet. Maybe use what is it, WinPiece or something like that, right? So we have always install elevated. I'm thinking, okay, we have auto log on, right? Maybe it's just acting dumb. Let's try to run as this guy right here. Let's try to run as that, and then we're going to run as that, this whole thing up here, right? That user will run this whole thing up here. I'm thinking it might just be something stupid like that. We're hanging a little more. Enter the password, which we do have now, right? Which actually we have 1,000 times for some reason, like right here. Don't know why it did that, but it's pretty much, yeah, we got the password. This is the password. You will get it. There we go. Who am I? We should be NCD authority, CD and C, users, administrator, desktop. All right. Huh. Don't know if I'll say medium, but we did it. Cool, awesome idea. I really like the WSL and everything like that. That was really cool. We haven't had any like that ever yet. That was really, really cool, I thought, having all that and everything. Um, I feel like we should keep messing with it because I feel like we can mount the file system from WSL and become root like that. Well, at least root, and then move over in the C drive through WSL. So I think you can mess with this guy down here. We have that Jupyter up and running, right? But there's nothing in Jupyter. But we know that Jupyter is working, right? That's what's making me feel weird, like right there. Do we have a bin file for Jupyter? See, something's weird to me here that we're not. It's all in here, but none of it actually works. But Jupyter is working, obviously, because we used it, right? So we should be able to mount something into it. Okay. So we keep messing with this guy. Vic Toothpick, hey, thanks a lot for the follow. But if you're just looking for just how to get root, there you go. But ow. Hit my own desk. Hate to see it. No, I hit my own desk. I went to sit up and my knee slammed to the desk. That would be funny too. Ow. Okay, we'll see. All right, we should have, I feel like we should have Jupyter in here, right? Which would allow us to be able to create a call. Actually, before I even do any of that, let me go ahead and grab this like right here because I gotta put this in my notes like real quick. I should just say. Yeah, that I felt the same way. That wasn't really a medium, but I guess it's an awesome I do like the concept. It was super cool concept. I like how the guy did it and everything like that. So I'm not gonna bash it. It was a pretty awesome concept. Okay. So let's go ahead. Let's keep messing with this guy because I feel like there's other ways to be able to do this. So I think if we create, we still haven't done this yet. Okay. Oh, we don't know his password. Do we? Is it the same password as up here? I wonder if it's the same one that's up here. No. Okay. We do not know his password yet. Okay. CD into Jupiter. But we can do all this without a password, like right here. Local bin Jupiter. So it is in there. C session username. I wonder if there's a C session password. Nope. There's not. Okay. Let's go ahead and try with attack I just in case. Nope. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's see what this is all about. So home. So yeah, kind of the same thing I was just saying, like right there. Like there's no Jupiter in there. Bin SU. Can I run command? As data. If I already am dev data ski. Well, yeah, I already am. Okay. Let's do this. Like right here. This guy like right here. CD slash home. Dev. Local. Pretty much exactly what I didn't like about it. We should have a Jupiter file in here. So can we just go ahead and just then bash into Jupiter? Can we just do that? We can. And then from here, we could probably just run that, right? Yep. Okay, so now we're root. We should see. I thought we could. I thought we'd be able to see the C drive in here once you become root. But obviously, I'm lost. Well, it's mounted, right? It's a mount, right? So let's go ahead and CD to mount. Aha. There's the C drive. Okay, so it's probably not mounted. Yeah, it's definitely not mounted like right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and mount that like real quick. We need to know. There's nothing in here, huh? Okay. All right. mount C drive. It mounts, okay. Okay, let's go ahead and see how to mount C drive. Get started mounting a Linux disk. Let's go ahead and see what that says like right there. Okay. See this mount disk path. I feel like that's not it though. Yeah, I'll say I know there's some other crap you got put in. Okay. Sudo mount. So let's just try to mount it, I guess, because we can't. Yeah, we can run sudo now. I mean, but we're root already. I love you. Thanks. Let's go ahead and grab that. And we want to actually mount the C drive, right? Okay, so we do like that. Into mount C, right? Only root can use. Well, I am root, so that's a good thing, right? What in the hell? I'm still. Oh, because I'm not. You fucker. Okay. Add another user in here, like real quick. There we go. There, we can just do that like right there. Okay. That's you into root 2. Tor. ID. There. My root now. Mount. Thank you. Now can I run that command? Okay, there we go. Now we mount the C drive into there. Cool. Can we see the users? Okay, now we mounted the C drive into there. I'm pretty sure we can move throughout it. I think we can. Well, even if we move throughout it, I don't know what the hell. Because even if we do anything in here, well, can we get an administrator? Because we technically are root. Can we do that? Huh. If we get a desktop? Yeah, we could just did it like that. Literally could just did it with just mounting it and got it. Boom. We didn't need anything else because we're root. So all we did like right there was we just made a new root user in the shadow file once we had the EUID of root. It's kind of just ran from there. Let me go ahead and say WSL mouth. Okay, so now I'll do that. Okay. So yeah, that was so that we could just did like that too. We could have literally just did it through just WSL and everything like that. Now I'm wondering, maybe you could tell me, DZ. I'm wondering, like, if we were to put in like no, never mind. That was never mind. Nothing. Nothing. Never mind. Wouldn't work. I want to try something real quick. If I were to put Mimikatz in here, like invoke Mimikatz, some of that, would it work? No, it's not going to work because Windows has to actually run that. Not this is just subsystem for Linux. I'm not actually. I'm in the C drive, but I'm not Windows in the C drive. So never mind. That wouldn't work. All right, cool. So I guess I could have technically CD'd into dev or whatever it is, right? Yeah, I could have went in there, I guess, and then found this SSH key in here, I guess, right? There's my shell MSI like right there, but I could have went in here and found the SSH, I guess. But I mean, that would have been about it. All right, so we'll stop this video. So we figured out a couple ways.